It's Monday. It's time to cook supper. We're watching Little House on the Prairie. I think it's the baseball episode. Anyway, we got finished with school this afternoon. I got some laundry done. I needed to vacuum and sweep and also wash eggs still. I still need to wash those eggs. I'm gonna do my best to wash some eggs today. I really need to because I need to rotate them. Some of the ones that are newer eggs I know are getting used before the older eggs because the kids will go get eggs for me and all, and it's easier of course to get the ones on top than the ones on the bottom. So I've got to wash them today. That way I can know that I'm using the oldest ones first. But before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and get this chili started. It's a new chili recipe. It's called Country Cabin Chili. It combines like chili with baked potatoes. You know how sometimes you can get a baked potato with chili on top at certain restaurants and stuff? This chili has potatoes in it, little potatoes. We're gonna slice up some of those little baby ones with an onion. We're actually gonna start that first. We're gonna let the potatoes and onions cook for about 5 minutes, then we'll add the ground beef in. I mean, there is a lot of stuff in this chili. Smoked sausage goes in there too. We're gonna cut it into small pieces, and some okra and sweet peppers. I think it's gonna be good. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in my pot. What else did I do? Oh yeah, I cleaned the bathrooms this afternoon. I got a new little toilet bowl cleaner thing. Excitement. That's been the most exciting thing today. I really like it. My other one, I really like that other one, but our Walmart never has the refills in stock. I can't remember what it was called. I'll pop it up. Also, y'all know my tub cleaner that I love, the Scotch Brite one that stretches out where you don't have to like bend over in the tub. I love that thing. They stopped carrying those refills. They still have the one thing, no refills. I mean, you can still order them for shipping and they'll come in like, 3 days or something. But I mean, if you're gonna carry the thing, why not carry the refills, Walmart? I mean, We've been watching so much Bonanza, and so now every time I see Charles, I'm thinking about little Joe. I cannot stand to watch the episodes of Bonanza. I've told y'all this before, but when he is already transformed into Charles Ingalls, I mean, I just can't. It's like you're looking at two people at the same time. Because like the whole time, you're like, if you watched Little House on the Prairie, which I did, I watched Little House on the Prairie. I never watched Bonanza as a kid. I mean, I'm sure it was playing. My daddy was probably watching it and stuff, but I never watched it. And so if you watch Little House on the Prairie first, then you watch Bonanza, and he's turned into Charles Ingalls. You can't unsee that. You just can't. It's been a Monday. I've already told y'all that. It's been a little bit of a crazy Monday. I'm chopping my potatoes over here. I put my cutting board across the sink. I'm pretending like I've got one of those farmhouse sinks with the with the little thing where me and Titus were looking at them in Home Depot the other day. I'm really not doing that. This was just a good spot to do it at the moment. But now I can pretend. Jonah and Cece are out there playing in their forks today. Titus is at work. Jake's at work. Tyler, he rides horses for several different people, so he's doing that right now. It's just me and Manly in here. He's in there playing. Okay, I think that's gonna be enough potatoes. While these are cooking, I'm gonna show y'all my new favorite ice cream. I mean, peppermint is still my favorite. This is my second favorite, but you can't get peppermint all throughout the year. It's absolutely amazing. It tastes like a Wendy's Frosty plus a little hint of coffee. It's wonderful, especially if you let it thaw just a little bit. It has the texture of a Wendy's Frosty then. There's the color of it. It's great. I think I saw some coffee ice cream like a long time ago, and I was like, I don't think that would be good. I was wrong. I was very wrong. This is great. I mean, this is the only brand I think that I can remember that I've ever tried of the coffee flavored. There is a Talenti gelato that's coffee flavored with little chocolate chips in it. I tried to order that one time. They didn't have it. You're having a bad day. You're having a good day. I said that because that's what that guy says on Modern Marvels. The man with the $1 million tongue. Had a bad day, have a bowl of ice cream. Having a good day, celebrate with a bowl of ice cream. It's amazing. Oh, there's Tyler. All right, the potatoes are starting to get tender. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the ground beef now. Have a good day. Celebrate with a bowl of ice cream. Do I hear a bumblebee in here?
Hey, Mama.
Huh?
We're playing bumblebee game, and I'm acting like a bumblebee, and you say...
I say, oh, I fly my hand at you like a bumblebee's flying around me? Okay, I'm ready. Shoot, bumblebee, shoot! I'm gonna catch him and keep him for a pet.
Now we're done.
Oh, you're done?
Yeah.
That was
I made me a tie.
That was a short game.
Yeah.
I forgot I also need to chop up some garlic.
You know, I could make water go away.
Okay, there's the okra. Now, we'll slice up this sausage. I don't think I'm going to put this whole... Well, yeah, I guess I will.
What's for supper?
Chili.
I got chili.
Mm-hmm. Well, I think we'll just have crackers with this tonight instead of cornbread because... Yeah, because this has the potatoes and everything in it, and like if we were putting chili on a baked potato, we wouldn't have any bread with it. So yeah, we'll just do some crackers with this chili tonight. All right, we got the sausage mixed in. Now I'm gonna dice up the peppers. I just have this on really low right now, and it's smelling good. The recipe called for serrano peppers too, but the last few packs that I've gotten from Walmart have been extremely spicy, and y'all know that I love spicy, so if I tell you it's hot, it's extreme. And those last few have been extreme, so I'm not going to take any chances on that. I'll probably eat one with mine, just, you know, with it on the side or something, but I'm not going to put one in for everybody else because it's just, they've been too hot. I'm leaving these sweet peppers in kind of big pieces here. We'll do a couple more of those, another red and another orange. Oh man, this is smelling really good, y'all. Now we'll put in the seasonings. First, we just need some salt and pepper. We need a couple of tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground mustard, a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, just a dash of ground cinnamon. We have 1 can of pinto beans drained, 1 can of light red kidney beans drained. Ooh, this smells like a country cabin right here. Now we need 1 can of diced tomatoes and 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. There's the tomatoes. Tomatoes with the chilies. Now 1 can of tomato sauce, 1/2 cup of hickory barbecue sauce. We have Kinder's hickory brown sugar. Once we get this mixed in, we're going to turn it up to medium, bring it to a simmer, then we'll cover it, let it sit over here and simmer, and I'll just keep a check on it. If we need to, we'll add a little bit of water, but I don't think we'll have to. Y'all, we almost forgot the okra over here. Marie done made some dessert tonight. She sent this straight over with a note that said thaw and enjoy. Titus wanted a lemon meringue pie. I would have made him one, but he didn't tell me until he got home. So Tyler was uptown. We told him to stop by and grab a Marie Callender's one. Here's what was left. Titus and the kids liked it except Sissy. She didn't really like it too much. Did you like it, Jonah? I heard him hiccup behind me. I didn't love it too much. Like, I would much rather have just a regular chili. This one, to me, Titus, he already fell asleep, y'all. He had a long day, so I'll give y'all the review. He loved it. I mean, it was one of these I could really tell he really, really liked it because he kept saying that he liked it. So, to me, this was like almost like a baked bean chili. I don't think I liked the barbecue sauce in there, but like I said, all the boys loved it. Me and Cece just didn't care for it too much. I mean, we like baked beans, so I don't know why we didn't love it, but anyway. Y'all know those cowboy baked beans that we make? That's what it kind of reminded me of, only a chili instead of just the baked beans. But anyway, they loved it. I didn't hate it. Of course I didn't hate it, but like me, myself, I wouldn't choose to make this chili recipe again. I would make our smokehouse chili. What's this one, Meanie?
Bubblegum bear.
Bubblegum bear. You can tell this one is a favorite. I mean, we read them slap out of the cover, don't we?
Yeah. Mama, can I buy a new one of these?
We need a new one. I actually saw a new one at Ollie's and I started to get it, but I figured we need to let somebody else have Bubblegum Bear, right? Because this one's still good. We can still read it. There's nobody quite like
Bubblegum Bear.
He's bubblegum pink and he doesn't
Care.
Bubblegum isn't like his other bear friends. He doesn't follow fashion or keep up with trends.
You don't have hair?
He's wearing a hat.
Oh, I thought that was hair.
Bubblegum Bear never has any doubt that after the rain,
The sun will come out.
the sun will come out.